was at 2000 ohms, but it was off. So this is 458 ohms. Second one is 968, and the third one is, it is saying 1, so we should move on 20k. 2.12 kilo ohms. Now I'll be measuring current across this LED. Okay. This is like 2.18 current passing through. Now I will be measuring voltage. We'll go to DCV. Now 5.30
Yes.
going from Arduino's 5 volts. Next one is a resistor going. So the voltage going through the resistor is 1.07. And first LED has the voltage going of 1.95, and the second LED voltage is going like this is going to negatives. I put the polarity after in the wrong way. Now it will do 1.98 volts going through the second LED. Bye.